The app I've chosen to evaluate is Jungle Coins. It helps students become familiar with money, particularly Australian money. They learn how to identify change, how to count money, and also how to compare totals and work out the lower and higher totals. I believe the app is suitable as being able to use money efficiently and identify lower and higher totals is a vital life skill that these students will need later on in their lives. Once students have completed working out a problem, they will click done, and if they're correct, the animal in the middle will make a noise. In the case of a lion, it'll roar. If not, they will be told something is incorrect. To navigate the app and choose different functions, all you need to do is hit the top left hand corner and you'll have a drop down tab which shows you find coins, count money, compare coins, correct change. There's also a bottom area where you can change the animal that appears when students are working, and the learn function which shows students the different coins and what they look like. To choose one of the options, you simply need to click on it and it'll automatically take you to that and generate a random scenario for students to work out. In this slide you'll see a screenshot of the comparison of coins. So students are required to look at both sides, left and right, and to give the correct symbol in the middle to indicate whether the total is greater than or less than its opposite. So in this case, the student would put the greater than symbol in the middle to indicate that the right side is greater than the left side. Now we have the giving correct change. Students are required to slide over the correct amount of change. They'll be given a scenario. In this case, they've paid $1 for an item that costs 65 cents. So here they would slide the 3 10-cent coins over and 1 5-cent coin to give the 35 cents change that they should receive. This is also good as it has real-world relevance, because many students will have trips to the shop where they need to ensure they get the right amount of change, and it also gets them familiar with using currency and understanding what to look for. The app also has a function where students must slide across a certain coin. So, for instance, in this screenshot, it's the 10-cent coin. This is good for helping them identify different coins and their values. It also helps them get familiar with the look of different coins and the amounts associated with these coins. When in the learning tab of the app, students will be shown all the Australian coins, so from 5 cents all the way through to the $2 coin. This page shows the top and bottom side of the coin to help students identify different coins, and also gives change for these coins. So in the case of the $2 coin, there's 2 $1 coins. For the 50 cents, 2 20-cent coins and a 10-cent coin. Overall, I think Jungle Apps is an effective educational app. It's very accessible for students and teachers. You don't have to have an extensive knowledge of iPads to use it. It's very easy to use. It covers a good range of functions for students to learn about, and it's an important subject with money, considering how much we use money in our everyday lives and how often they will be exposed to change and trying to identify coins and totals.